Hi! In front of me is LG Q70 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. First of all, go into Play Store and install your new defaults. I will go with some kind of SMS app, maybe this one, and Opera mini browser. When your apps are ready, click on Settings. In Settings, scroll down just a bit and tap on Apps section. Now click on Default Apps and select one of those sections that you wish to manage. For example, I want to manage my browser app and SMS one, so I need to click on one of them. Click on an app that I wish to apply and tap on the back button. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!